Happy Thursday! It's August 22, 2024 and it's a beautiful Thursday morning. Let's give thanks for all the blessings na nasa buhay natin at yung mga blessings na darating pa dito sa mga pagsubok natin at trials and challenges. This makes our life more beautiful, wonderful, challenging, and exciting. At syempre, huwag natin kalimutan yung mga tao na tumulong sa atin during our trials and challenges at sa mga tao na nakikimarites lang din sa buhay natin. Shoutout to Miguel and Daniel Stout, to Pucci, kay Margie Crane, kay Cecil Boris, kay Mamalu, Luis and Susan, Jordan and Sasil, Jennifer Naagan, Alvin Albatores, ng Malay-Balay Panginoon, kay Carlo, Mandana Medina, kay Madam Edie Dayaraso, Elizabeth Guevara, Mapil Andres, and Angie Sarmiento, and Joey Moreno family, and the Tokron Boys, at sa lahat ng technician and staff ng Costing Piligan, Samis, and Del Norte Ads, Pampanga, and Davao. Purpose of the day natin po is love. Okay, love often fades and let you go, resting and waiting for its right moment to rise and into full bloom. So keep that in mind po. Thank you for following, liking, sharing, and subscribing to these videos. Good morning and have a blessed Thursday, everyone.